Hi there, guys. Excellent to be at another 4 Coffee Chat. Today we're talking about a very important one. So we always say, listen, we should focus on helping our industrial clients to run safer, greener, longer, and faster. So today we focus on the greener part, and the theme of today is very much focused on digital transformation to improve energy management for our industrial and mining clients. My name is Willem Swart. I lead the 4Sight OT cluster, so operational technology cluster. With me today is Willem and Michael. So let's start with Willem. Quickly introduce yourself. Just tell us a little bit more about yourself.
Great, Willem de Pre. I'm currently the engineering manager at Age Technologies, so looking after specifically the automation business within the OT cluster. I've got about 20 years experience within automation, industrial automation, and energy management. So yeah, that's me.
Excellent. And Michael, just also with us, tell us a little bit about yourself.
Hi, my name is Michael Powell. I am the sales director within the 4Sight operational technology cluster. My responsibility is to offer customers operational technology solutions that enable the digital transformation using technologies within our optimization, automation, and simulation stack, increasing the efficiencies and effectiveness of their plants.
Thanks, Michael. So a very important topic today. We are all in this energy dilemma. We're moving to a place very, very fast where we basically need to generate the world is requiring 1.5 times more energy, and we have to cut our emissions by 50%, so half divided by 2, and also everywhere, basically in households, but also in industry, try and really run 3 times more efficient. So that's quite a challenge. So maybe this, and a lot of the clients are talking about how do they basically move towards a better carbon emission or a zero carbon emission. So yeah, everybody's grappling with this. So let's go to Michael. So give us a bit of a view of what are the classic challenges that you see that our industrial clients are struggling with related to energy management and measurement.
Yes, Willem, you are absolutely right. The cost of energy is one of the biggest challenges. The cost of energy is increasing, and that is a result on the cost of production, and the competitiveness that our customers have in the market, Making this even more complex is the regulatory compliance and the rules with regards to maximum demand and complex tariff structures. And we've also found that our customers find it very, very difficult to identify the pieces of equipment within their production process that's got this energy inefficiencies. So managing all these complexities seem really overwhelming for our customers, and they struggle to get visibility and analysis of their energy efficiency. So we found that the question is no longer should our customers do energy management. The question is rather how should they do this?
That's a great contribution. And I think a lot of our customers also say, if you digital transformation, if you don't start moving ahead, if you fall behind, it's quite hard to catch up. So we talk a lot about, listen, you need to get going on it. And so Willem, tell us a bit about what are the approaches and the solutions that you're advising the clients and that you're workshopping and that you're visiting clients in the industrial space currently.
Yeah, thanks, Willem. I think definitely the customers would need to look at a comprehensive energy management solution. And basically to take the data that they have and all the energy information and the production information that's available in the plants and to turn that into actionable insights. So obviously to help them maintain a safer, reliable and more efficient energy usage system, but also to make the right decisions and to know what affects their plants in what manner, and then they can basically act upon that. So yeah, definitely implementing a proper energy management solution would be the answer.
Great. And so, let's look at the recommendations and how we approach it. So there's this disruptive technologies that's happening right now, these 5 core ones, but one of the key ones is this energy storage that is becoming much more cost effective and much more available. And in Western Australia, they've just commissioned into the gigawatt range industrial backup and load shedding storage. So Michael, just tell us a bit about the recommendations. You engage with a mining client. What do you recommend? How do you go about into basically all this technology is coming towards us, and we have already available. So, what do you recommend they do?
Yeah, so Willem is absolutely correct in saying that the first step is to get visibility. And by visibility, we first need to do an assessment of your electrical network, understand that network topology. So our approach is normally to do a on-site assessment of your network. If you already have meters in place, we would assess your current status and make recommendations from there. But what we found is where we've had customers that has rolled out these energy meters within their sites, they do not utilize that energy data to actually do analysis on it and increase the efficiency of their energy. So within our 4Sight operational technology cluster, we have the certification, experienced and skilled resources, that can really roll out this end-to-end solution. Anything from the metering, data gathering, visualization, analysis, and even the optimization of your energy needs.
That's great. And yeah, so a lot of the clients, they're all basically talking about becoming more and more ESG, compliance, so focusing on environmental, social, and basically governance. But, the key thing that we are involved with is the environmental part and sort of the dashboarding and making that part of the integrated report of the client. So, Willem, just show us a few examples of these energy dashboards and these measurement tools that you use and that you enable our clients with currently.
Yes, thank you, Willem. So one of the systems that we use and that we deploy to customers is a system by Schneider Electric called EcoStruxure Power Monitoring Expert. It's an award-winning piece of software that's dedicated for energy management solutions. So the first dashboard there is basically a plant overview or plant summary that highlights the main KPIs of what the customer will be looking at. And it includes things like your total CO2 emissions, what the weather information, your power quality information, cost breakdown, and typical energy usage could be. The second dashboard that I've highlighted here is basically a breakdown of your total energy usage per month. And it's also a comparison year on year to see if you're actually improving or doing more or less the same. And as you can see, it also takes the electrical, water, as well as gas into the picture to really give you a comprehensive look at all your energy usage within your plant. The third one there is a cost breakdown, also per month, and what contributes the most in terms of your energy usage to your monthly cost of energy. A typical Skanky diagram is also very useful in terms of understanding how your energy is used and how it's distributed within your plant. And now we start incorporating some of the plant production information of the different sections within the plant to see how your energy usage and your production information compares to one another, and where can we improve and make suggestions where we can do some changes. Power quality is obviously one of the key topics in terms of any customer to measure and to really understand. And as you can see from this dashboard, typical things like what your power factor is currently and how that is going to impact in terms of a surcharge if it doesn't improve, or what your current power quality rating is and what the main contributor to that power quality is in terms of harmonics. So all these things is really valuable in terms of the customer making the right decision at the right time to really understand what's happening with the energy in his plant. So yeah, that's some of the key dashboards that we deploy. Thank you, Willem.
I think that's quite amazing. It's amazing how fast it is. You're linking on a specific site, but you can also link into the enterprise and these solutions that you can provide. So yeah, as a group, the 4Sight Operational Technology Group do many of these things. Like we would start, for example, with a carbon sustainability or basically reduction simulation, or what we call an ESG simulation through the life of mine, saying, listen, where are we going? And then, measurement, very, very key, what Willem showed right now. And then we'll start deploying solutions that, help save energy. Like with advanced process control, we can cut energy on certain applications up to 10%, 20%. Or we would, for example, get involved in balancing. So, water balancing, energy balancing from an MES solution is very, very important for the future of what we do. and the, automation, and also asset performance management. These are all things that if we have unexpected failures, or if we don't control the site right, then we basically waste energy. And so everything contributes to this journey, but it starts with what Willem and Michael spoke about today. So Willem, Michael, thank you for the time. Thanks for for the coffee chat with us. And yeah, thank you.
Thank you guys.